Hello everybody! In today's video, I will show you how to protect your cells on your spreadsheet on Google Sheets. First of all, open your spreadsheet and follow these steps. Well, there is two methods to protect your cells on Google Sheets. The first one is to select your cells that you want to protect, and I will right click on them, and then I will go down to the end, and here, after clicking on the view more cells action, here I will find the protect range. Click on the protect range button, and here, as you can see, this is the protect area, or where you can add protection to your cells. I will just name it protection 1, just for protection 1. And here, as you can see, this is my range that I have selected. Now I can set permission, and now either you can give permission to some group, or edit permission of who can edit on these cells, or you can just have them given or showing a warning after editing this range. After click done, as you can see, whenever I will change something, it will give me this warning. I will do cancel. There is another way, or the second way to protect yourself is by going to the sheet name. In my case here, I am on the first sheet, or the sheet that is called sheet number 1. I will click on this icon that is exactly next to the name, and here I can see protect sheet. Of course, it will pop up the same menu, or the same menu window. I will enter a description of as a name of protection. Let's just name it protection 2, and here I won't choose all the sheet 1 because I only want a specific range. Now you can choose your range of uh, your sheets that you want, or your cells that you want to protect. Now I will click OK, and I will set the permission, and I will do as previous one, so I can demonstrate you that this is working. Now I will try to add something or to modify, and as you can see, it will give me again the same message. So I will do cancel, and this is how I protect my cells. You can remove the protection by just delete the range or sheet protection. So if I do this and I remove it, I will go for OK, and then just remove OK, and as you can see, now I can add and modify without warnings. So those are the ways to protect yourself. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.